Stop stressing over your HVAC system. Choose YBDHC for reliable and comprehensive service. Whether you need an AC tune-up before the summer heats up or a furnace repair for those harsh Minnesota winters, YBDHC is your go-to solution in Andover MN. We specialize in everything from AC and furnace installations to ductwork, mini split systems, and even gas fireplace repair. At YBDHC, your comfort is our priority. Our expert team is dedicated to delivering professional and fast service to keep your home comfortable year-round. Need your dryer vent cleaned or your garage heater fixed? We've got that covered too. So why wait? Visit ybdhc.com, email us at ybdhc2@gmail.com, or call text 763-546-7377 to book your service now. YBDHC, making Andover MN comfortable, one home at a time. Like, subscribe, and stay comfortable with YBDHC.